Is it working? All right, here he is. I've only seen this guy a couple times. Never was down here hunting when I seen him though, but I have him on camera too. But I've been waiting every day, hoping this guy would come by or something bigger. But he stepped out this evening, so he's a pretty good buck. I think he's 3.5, 4.5 years old maybe. Finally got a shot at him. I think he ran off over there, and there's another little buck out there. He went up over the pond dam, stood up there and started coming back. Was looking, I started making noise up in the stand. He just looked up there at me. I even got down, he still stood there looking at me. He didn't want to run off until I started walking towards him. And he finally took off. Anyway, this 2022 gun buck. And now to be back to bow hunting.
Tell them where you're at.
Here on the family farm in Carter County, southern Oklahoma. It's kind of warm today, it's in the 50s, but these deer came out feeding this evening. A couple does and that little smaller buck. He was the last one to finally show. Luckily I made a good shot on him. All right.